Kids, how are you? Today we are going to spelling practice. Today we are complete these spelling with your practice. Now let's start from here. First one, what is this? Everyone tell me what is this? Okay. This is called okay. Pineapple. Wow, great. You did well. Now you can spell pa in p p r n e pine a double p l here is the e pineapple. This is correct spelling. Look at again. Pineapple. Now, correct. Wow, great. Look at this. What is this? Tell me. Okay. What is this? These are grapes. These are grapes. What is the spelling of grapes? G G R A A P E S. Grapes. Grapes. Yeah. Wow. You did well. What is this? Yummy. Oh, this is banana. Banana. B A N A N A. Banana. Look at one more time. The spelling of banana is correct or not? Banana. Banana. Yes. Now, what is this? This is coconut. This is coconut. C-O-C-O. Coco and U and this is T. Another time check the spelling of coconut. C-O-C-O and U-T. Coconut. Now correct. Great. Look at this. What is this? What is this? Tell me. Mango. Wow. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Another time. Once more. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. You did well. Now this is a spelling practice.